Hello and welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to install the Umbra-X add-on to your Firefox browser. Keep in mind that Umbra is already present on our servers, so you will have to link to the Umbra present on your servers. Before beginning the installation process, make sure that your Firefox has been updated to the latest version and that you have already created an Umbra username and password. If you have not, please see the link in the description below to do that, then return to the video. At the moment, only invited testers have access to the Umbra-X Firefox add-on. If you're one of our testers, please use the link you've been provided to download the file name Umbra_X-0.7.1-AN plus fx.xpi and proceed to the next step. Once you have downloaded the file, open Firefox, then go to Settings and click on the add-ons. Once here, all you have to do is click on the gear icon next to the Manage Your Plugins. Click Install Add-on from File. Locate the file itself. Give it the permissions it needs to add. And Umbra has been added on. All you need to do next is enter in your user ID, password, and you will be good to go.